The news in detail. Amidst the criticism drawn by the state government for concluding Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival on Sunday, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tynsong said concluding function of Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival to start after church service on Sunday. Regarding the sweepers colony, Tynsong informed that the state government will invite the Harijan Panchayat Committee next month for discussion on resolving the issue pertaining to the relocation of 342 families of sweepers colony from Them Yom Molong.
You must have seen, and all along the right side, whereas from our side, in the left side, we have only a disc. For this festival, which is going to happen next month, I've already told you, for the ending part, to adjust accordingly, we have decided, we have already asked the organizers to start the function only after the church service happened to everybody.